According to the most current data from the U.S. Census and Bureau of Labor Statistics, 12,336 independent auto repair shops are expected to fail this year. That's 34 every day. And it's not that they weren't good techs, or they didn't know what they were doing, or that they weren't good people, and certainly not that they didn't plan to fail. In fact, when surveyed, the number one reason was they couldn't get enough car count. So if you're a new or established auto repair shop, or you're planning on opening your own auto repair shop, or you work in the auto service industry, you know that car count is directly related to the size of your paycheck. And you can't afford to let bad car count stand in the way of your dreams. So go ahead and smash that subscriber button, ring the bell icon right next to it. That way every time I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know. Hey, I'm Matthew Lee, the Car Count Fixer, and over the last 20 plus years, my passion has been helping independent auto repair shop owners grow their car count, income, and profit. Here at Car Count Hackers, I share the actual tips and tactics that I use with my private clients and underground group of car count hackers so that you can grow your car count. You'll learn the weird hacks that you can use immediately so that you can start selling more auto service. You'll discover the dirty little secrets that they don't want you to know so that you can grow your income and fortune and create the lifestyle that you know you and your family deserve, and do it all before you spend a fortune trying to do it. So what should you do now? Well, go ahead and smash that subscriber button, ring the bell icon right next to it. That way every time I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know. On the other hand, you could register for one of those live workshops. You'll spend thousands of dollars traveling hundreds of miles away, leaving your shop for days on end while it loses money, only to sit in a meeting room that you can't leave until they put you through a high-pressure sales tactic to join their coaching program. Like, seriously, what are you waiting for? Obviously, you understand that car count is directly related to the size of your paycheck. So the only other thing left to do is go ahead and smash that subscriber button, ring the bell icon right next to it. That way, every time I upload new tips, weird hacks, and dirty little secrets, you'll be the first to know. Then get started right now and watch these weird hacks, and you'll start selling more auto service today. I'm Matthew Lee, the Car Count Fixer. I can't wait to see you on the next video.